Today we are taking a look at the Lian's new SX series of platinum power supplies. It's a lineup that is designed for modern high-end systems that demand clean power delivery, next-gen GPU support and actually low noise operation. It has ATX 3.1 compliance, native 12V high power support, actually 2x6 support, fully modular cabling and a compact 140mm body. These units aim to deliver dependable performance without unnecessary bulk. And with so many cases that utilize 90-degree PSU mounting, this PSU is a given. Alright, quick pause here, because I know some of you are still rocking that little activate Windows watermark on your desktop. Yep, don't worry, that's where keysfan.com comes in. They've got super affordable legit keys for Windows 10, Windows 11 and even Microsoft Office. No more dropping a fortune just to keep your PC happy. Find the Windows you want at the checkout, enter LevelUP50 for 50% off on all Windows keys or LevelUP62 for 62% on any Office products. Check out using your credit card or PayPal, in the matter of seconds you will receive your key. Super cheap, super easy, check the links in the description. Now back to the video. First of all, a little disclaimer, this is actually not a review where I would test how this PSU performs, because for that I don't have the necessary equipment. I can only say how it performs based on internal Lian testing, so let's say that this is more an overview and my thoughts on this PSU rather than a regular review. The SX series sticks to a clean, functional aesthetic. It's available in both black and white to match most modern builds. The standout feature is the embossed mesh pattern on the fan side. It actually is the same design language used on the Lian Edge series of PSUs. It isn't just decorative, actually this mesh maintains a 66.9 open area to maximize airflow while still giving the unit a distinct identity. Despite supporting up to 1200 watts, the chassis remain actually compact at 140mm in depth, making it a strong fit for cases where PSU clearance is actually a problem or a tight situation. At the rear side of the PSU there is only a mains connector and the fanless toggle mode and on-off switch, of course. The fanless toggle mode is actually super cool because you can actually turn off the fan and it will only be on when the PSU exceeds 40% of the load. And there is a cool dual-tone blue molded 12V 2x6 connector that doubles as a visual indicator to confirm the proper installation. It's a small but clever quality of life feature. The flexible braided texture cables also add to the visual appeal. Here they are actually sleeved. They're far easier to manage than traditional stiff cables and they help the PSU blend into a clean, well-managed build. Under the hood, the SX series is built around a full 80+ platinum certification based on the Heli platform, capable of up to 92% efficiency under typical loads. The SX is available in 3 wattage options: 850 watts, 1000 watts and 1200 watts like I have here. All 3 come with fully modular, with ATX 3.1 compliance, native PCI Express 5.1 support, 12V 2x6 connectors. They also come with 3 PCI 6+2 connectors and the 8-pin cables, so they didn't forget about the Radeon users. And every other cable is actually fully modular. That includes the SATA cable, CPU cable and all other cables. Internally, you're getting 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, high amperage single 12V rail. It has 120mm fluid dynamic bearing fan, which is capable of running up to 2000 RPM. And it comes with a bunch of protection suite options. All this is actually backed up with a 10-year warranty, which is not to underestimate. And the prices for this platinum unit are actually super good. 850 watts starts at $119.99, 1000 watts is $149.99 and 1200 watts is only $159.99. And for a certified platinum ATX 3.1 platform, these numbers are surprisingly competitive and I dare to say cheap. The SX series is designed to deliver consistent, reliable power for today's high-performance hardware, and the specs back that up. With platinum level efficiency, heat output remains very low even under sustained loads. Voltage regulation stays tight across rails and ripple remains minimal thanks to the Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors and the robust internal layout. And the native 12V 2x6 cable ensures clean power delivery to modern GPUs up to 600 watts without relying on adapters, which is a major reliability win here. And on the 1000 and 1200 watts models, Lian includes additional 12V 2x6 to dual 8-pin cables, making them ideal for setups with hubs or multiple accessories. And there are of course some pros and cons. For the pros, it's clean, compact design with high airflow embossed mesh, 80+ platinum efficiency across all models, which is awesome, fully ATX 3.1 compliant with native 12V 2x6 support, fanless mode, up to 40% load for that super silent operation. It has strong cable selection, including extra GPU cables on higher wattages. And all cables are fully slim. It has high-end internal components with Japanese caps, fluid dynamic bearing fan and so on. It has full suite of protection plus 10-year warranty, and it's actually is highly competitive priced for a platinum platform. And there are of course some cons. The higher wattage models get noticeably louder under full load. I mean, it's nothing special, but it can be heard a little bit. They don't have digital monitoring features. This is not a deal breaker, but some higher end PSUs offer that support. And actually, stiffness on some of the higher gauge cables may still require careful routing in smaller cases, primarily the 24-pin cable and the 8-pin EPS cables. So the Lian SX series feels like a well-balanced platinum PSU lineup built for modern high-end systems without drifting into that unnecessary premium territory with pricing. You're getting next-gen GPU support here, strong electrical performance inside, quiet operation at low to mid loads. You have high-grade components inside and genuinely actually a good price for the feature set. Plus, it is also great for the cases where smaller length PSUs are needed, and if you want to use them in cases that utilize 90-degree rotated PSU installation like the Lian's own Lian 217 or 207 lineup of cases. But not only in those cases, there are actually a lot of micro ATX cases lately, and all of them will benefit from a shorter PSU without sacrificing power. So if you're building a new gaming PC, a workstation, or upgrading to a GPU that requires the native 12V 2x6 connector, the SX series should absolutely be on your shortlist. It's dependable, it's compact, and it's ready for the next few GPU generations. And that's exactly what a modern PSU should be. So that's it for this one, guys. If you're looking for a PSU that balances efficiency, silence, and have next-gen features, the SX series delivers it cleanly. Hope you found the review helpful. Actually, it was the overview. More, sub to the channel, like and share it, and I'll see you in another one.